Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on a GMC Acadia. First, open your vehicle's hood and find the headlight assembly. You'll see some retaining bolts or clips holding it in. Use a socket wrench or the correct tool to loosen these fasteners. This initial step is crucial for safely accessing the bulb. Take your time to ensure all securing points are released before proceeding to the next step. Once the fasteners are loose, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from the vehicle. Be gentle to avoid damaging any wiring or the housing itself. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb and disconnect it. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its socket. Pull the bulb straight out, being careful not to touch the glass. Now, take your new headlight bulb and carefully insert it into the housing, making sure the tabs align properly. Twist the bulb clockwise until it locks securely into place. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. With the new bulb installed, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Make sure it seats properly, and then tighten all the retaining bolts or clips to secure it firmly. Before you hit the road, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This ensures your safety and proper illumination for driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.